Hi guys, I've got 3 packs of Shining Fates to see open, just to see what we get. So let's definitely, break into these. I'm going to start with the Drampa pack. I got 2 Drampas, and then we'll save the Shiny Charizard for last. See if we can get that Shiny Charizard. So there's the code. If you guys use the codes, let me know. See what you get. And all right, we got Energy, Ball Guy, Float Soul, Team Neil Tao, Shinx, Trapinch. I love that Trapinch. It looks so cool. Coughing, Rowlet, Choodle. Oh, we got a shiny Woo-Woo. Oh, check that out. And I'm going to hide this card behind it. But that is so cool. And then we got Delamize V. So 2 great pulls from that. All right, so let's try the Drampa pack number 2. If you're enjoying these, definitely follow me or subscribe for more. I've got some more packs today. These are the last of the Shiny Fates I have, but I do have battle styles we can open, and I'll be doing those more on the channel too. And if you enjoy Pokemon content, hit me up on twitch.tv/Syntha333 because I've got, a Nuzlocke going on down over there. So I'm filming that every day that I'm off, so you can definitely come by, hang out, leave me a follow. All right, we got Energy, Ball Guy, Tropius, Rusted Shield, Yanma, Coughing, Morpeko, Horsey. Horsey is cute. Definitely a cute Horsey. Spinarak. Oh, gold card. No way. We're getting some awesome pulls. So we got the gold. Externius. That is an awesome pull. I'll have to see how much that one's worth. And then we got Yanmega, which isn't that exciting after a gold card. That's the first gold card I've gotten out of the packs. So I'm hoping for some good stuff out of this last Shining Fates pack I have. And I don't think I'm going to be able to get more Shining Fates. Alright, here's the code. 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we got a wet pack. We got a Rusted Shield, Rotom, Camarant, Tropius, Rowlet, Choodle, little Choodle on a, willow tail or whatever they call it, cat's tail. Morpeko, Coughing. All right, we got Zeradude, Reverse Hollow, and a Wheezing Hollow. So that's not bad. 2 reverse reverse hollow and a... Okay, so we got some pretty cool cards. We got this one, which I'm so stoked about. The Externius. We got a shiny Wooloo. And a VMAX card. And then a reverse hollow, which isn't so exciting, but a hollow Wheezing is pretty cool. You can see the hollow in it. Alright, that's all for today. If you liked it, subscribe for more. And leave me a like and a comment on how your day's going or what your favorite pull was from today. And I'll see you guys all next time.